Welcome back to Standard 7 Biology class. In the previous class, you have learned the characters of kingdom fungi. Do you remember what are the different ways by which fungus is useful to us? That has been discussed in the previous class, right? As fungus has many useful aspects, it has some harmful effects also. Let's see in what all ways fungus is harmful. One of the harmful effects of fungi is it causes spoilage of food. You have learned about bread mold, no? That is the best example of how fungus spoil the food. When some of the food items is kept for many days, it will get spoiled. That is mainly because the microorganisms start to live on that food matter. Example of a fungus which causes food spoilage is mould. This fungus grow on moist food substances such as bread, fruits, vegetables, etc. and spoil the food products. When these fungus live on the food products, they release the toxins which are the harmful substances. What will happen if we eat these food products? These harmful toxins can cause harm to our body and we feel sick, right? This is the main cause of food poisoning. The harmful effect of fungus is it causes spoilage to non-food substances such as clothes, paper, leather, furniture, etc. Fungus grow on damp clothes and leather and cause damage to it. Fungus also causes many diseases in plants and animals. Can you identify this fungus? It looks like mushroom, but it is another fungus called toadstool. It is a mushroom-like fungi. It can be mistakenly taken as food since it looks like mushroom, but it is not an edible fungus. It can be poisonous and cause harm to our health if it is eaten. Some fungus such as polyporous can cause decay of standing trees. Trees, if fallen down, will be decayed by fungus. That is a natural process. Have you seen this kind of fungus on trees? It decays the trees and makes it useless. As I've mentioned before, many fungus cause diseases in plants and animals. Some diseases caused by fungi in plants are mould, mildew, smut and rust. Fungi that cause diseases in human beings are athlete's foot, oral thrush and ringworm. These are some common diseases which is caused by fungus. With this, we finish the third kingdom of 5 kingdom classification, that is kingdom fungi. The next kingdom of 5 kingdom classification is kingdom plantae. Before moving on to that, are you interested in doing an activity? Each one of you can do it individually from your home. The activity is to grow mould on a slice of bread. What are mould? It is a type of fungus. It mostly grow on stale bread and rotting fruits. So listen carefully, I'll explain how to do the activity. So you have to first take the materials which is required for doing the activity. The materials required are a slice of bread, a transparent plastic bag, thread and water. I hope all these things will be there at your home. So I'll explain by using these materials how can you grow a mold on the bread. Firstly, take the slice of bread and sprinkle some water over the bread. A single piece of bread is enough and don't pour too much of water. Just spray some drops over it just to make it moist. Now place the moist bread in the plastic bag and tie the bag with a string. After that, keep the bag in a warm, dark place. Don't keep it in the sunlight. Leave it undisturbed for 2 or 3 days. After 3 days, open the bag and observe. You can see the fungus bread mold growing on the bread. Observe and note down your findings in the notebook. This is a very simple activity which all of you can do from your home itself. So after doing, send me a photo of the bread mold which you have observed. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Hope you have understood the class. Thank you.